Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose. This is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a side pass peekaboo. Knowing how to do a side pass would be really helpful, and knowing already how to do a basket peekaboo would probably be quite useful too. So I'll put links to those in the description below so it's easy and quick for you to find if you want to go back and look at them. So the move looks like this, though there's lots of options on changing the timing and how many times you do bits of it. Looks like this goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So let's break it down. It starts off like a standard side pass. So we go back, we're bringing the lady through, turning to the left, but guys, we're going to pop the right hand in on the hip and we're going to block the lady, not just rotation, but translation as well. So we're bringing the lady to a complete stop. We're heading over to the left. We're going to lunge into it a little bit and look back at our partner. Then we're going to switch sides. So we're going to block with the left hand, send the weight the other way. So you get another look. You could repeat that. We're just going to do the 2. Then we're going to bring the lady through to finish the movement off. And the way the lady can tell is instead of getting this solid feeling of stopping on the hip, you're going to go to fingertips. So as the lady comes over to the right, it's fingertips just across the shoulders. So it feels like a standard slide. So we just slide down to the hand. As we get to the hand, we're actually going to take it to the left. So it becomes a prep like a Wurlitzer. So we can finish with a return spin. So from the other side with numbers, that means we go back 1, we get block 2, and look again 3, sliding 4, preparation 5, with a return, spin 6, and catch 7. So let's try that together. 5, 6, side pass, peekaboo. It's a back. Look, look, slide, prep, return spin, and back. If you did an odd number of peekaboos, so if you went through and you did block 1, 2, 3, then it would be the left hand that slides across the shoulders, which means you would just come back down to the left hand, guys left, ladies right, so you would do a traveling return finish, just like you would on the end of a side to side. And that's the whole thing. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. On the end, in the windows that come up, there'll be a music recommendation as one of those. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.